And it's rolling.
True. Hi there, folks. How was your weekend? Oh, you're awfully early this Monday morning. You must be wondering why we've called you here today. There's something upper management needs to say. Our stuff has not been selling very well. It seems that it's not flying off the shelves. With the numbers coming through, we really had to choose between our bonuses and you. So you and you and you and you and you and you, thank you very much. And you and you and you and you and you and you, from the bottom of our hearts, thank you very much.
Please return your staplers, rulers, calculators, and waste paper baskets. All passwords to the server have been changed, but as a token of our appreciation for those of you who served with us for 10 years, please collect your bus fare home on your way out.
And you and you and you and you and you, thank you very much.